Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get full seed pack in Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox Fall Harvest event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, if you want to get the fall seed pack, you can go to the store and you can purchase it from here. But you need Robux to purchase it guys, and it costs 149 Robux for legendary fall seed pack and also the rare fall seed pack. And if you want to get it for free guys, I would like to recommend you to join a guild team. You can ask your friend whether they have guild team or not, or you can also create it by yourself. But if you want to create a guild, you need Robux, so better if you join another player's guild. And I have been invited to a guild team, and the guild will give us rewards, and I'm going to show you the rewards. Okay, one of the rewards is this fall seed pack, as you can see. Okay, and the reward will be transferred to the Garden Valley. And I got one fall seed pack from this event guys. My team is not on the top rank, but I still got reward from the guild team, and this is my team. I have been invited by a player and I have accepted, and yeah, I end up in this guild team. And okay guys, that's how you can get the fall seed pack in Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox Fall Harvest event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.